Alright, what's up guys? This is Joe from MrPaintballvids here, and I got my tracer here, and I'm going to show you guys how to clean and disassemble and clean the Empire Trracer for what you'd have to do, not too often, but just like the bolt area and the spring and the sear and all that stuff. But before we do that, I got my BT red and green dot sight that I'm going to throw on my tracer right now. So I'll do that real quick before I start the assembly. This is it was $22 from my local store. The BT metal red and green dot sight. So there's the sight itself. Okay, comes with a little soft cloth to clean the glass. Comes with an extra battery. Weaver mounts. Comes with an Allen key so you can zero it in, and just a couple manuals. Just like a manual. Okay. This. That. Other way. Mounts on here. Slide this to the rail like that. Come on. Tighten that up a little more. Okay, that's the BT metal red and green dot sight on the tracer. Now obviously, see the feed neck right there. As you can see, that is going to interfere with the scope. So what I'll probably do is get one of those Gen X Global pocket hoppers, see if that doesn't interfere with that. And worst comes to worst, I'll just get the 10 round mag that goes on the side. Hoping the first strike round mag comes out soon. But anyway, going on to the disassembly vid. So let's take the barrel off first. Okay, feed neck comes off next. Nice and easy off. Okay, so now you get the gun ready to take apart. So you're gonna grab grab from your tracer parts kit the largest Allen key and unscrew the two screws, which are located right here and right here. Just unscrew those, and that will take the grip frame right off the gun. Okay, there's one screw off, and the second screw, like I said, was right here. Okay, that's gone. Okay, so now when I take this off, just the grip frame is simply just going to come off like so. Okay, you can put the grip frame off to the side because you won't be needing that. Also the detent, the blue detent comes out. Put that off to the side. Okay, so now you get the tracer, just the body and the pump arm. So you can take the where the tank screws in off the back. Then out comes the sear and the spring. Put those off to the side. Goes in this piece right here, then the sear, then the spring, if you need the order. Now, as you can see, the bolt's still in there. You cock it back, the bolt's still in there. So what you want to do is unscrew these screws on the side of the pump arm, and once those come off, pump arm will come off, pump arm can go off to the side, and now the bolt will slide out like so. Now notice that there's right there a screw hole and another screw hole right there. When you put the bolt back into the tracer, the screw has to be lined up with these holes right here. That's what the pump arm screws into. So let's clean the bolt off here. Okay, it's all clean. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, throw some of your favorite lube. Here, I got some Sleek. Good old Sleek. Don't need a ton. I didn't see a whole lot of this is second time taking this apart. I didn't really see a lot of lube on it the first time, so I'm not gonna go crazy. Okay. Okay, got the bolt. And you want to put it back in so that those screw holes that I was talking about line up. Like so, if you can see that the screw hole in the bolt has to line up. And put the pump handle back on, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions on taking apart stuff on the Tracer, it's fairly simple. There's not many parts. It's a mechanical pump, so it's not that hard. But if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them, and we'll answer them as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.